Welcome. Ever dreamed of turning your passion for wood into a thriving business? Today, we are building your complete roadmap to success from scratch. We are focusing on small-scale projects. They are affordable to make, easy to ship, and incredibly profitable for beginners starting in small spaces. Why go small? Large furniture requires massive storage and high shipping costs. Small items like coasters allow for quick wins and low material overhead. High-value categories are your best bet. Think rustic home goods, sleek kitchen accessories, and personalized office organizers that people use every single day. Start with affordable wood types like pine or birch plywood. They are forgiving for beginners and let you practice without breaking the bank. You don't need a massive shop. A miter saw, a drill, and an orbital sander are your core essentials to get started today. Precision is key. Using a miter saw allows for perfect 90-degree cuts, which is the foundation of any professional-looking wooden product. Quality lives in the details. Sanding from 120 to 320 grit ensures a touchable finish that feels like a premium luxury item. Finishing transforms your work. Natural oils bring out the warmth of the grain, while polyurethane provides a durable, waterproof shield for kitchen items. To be profitable, you must master batch production. Line up your pieces and perform each step for all of them at once to save time. Pricing is a formula: materials plus labor plus overhead plus your profit. Never undervalue your time, it is your most precious resource. Quality control is your reputation. Check for wobbles. Sand off every sharp edge and ensure every joint is perfectly flush before shipping. Marketing is visual. Use natural light from a window and simple props to tell a story that makes people want your crafts in their homes. The best time to start is right now. Grab some scraps and challenge yourself to make a set of coasters this very weekend. Download my free project plan below to get started. You have the skills, now go build your dream. I will see you in the shop.